We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone 16 that won't turn on and has a black screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is an annoying problem because you then can't go and use your iPhone and you may be thinking that it's broken, but hopefully with the help of this video, you're going to be able to go and solve it. As often, there's a few different fixes you can try, which will hopefully do this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead in case you go and miss the method that will solve the problem for you. So let's go and get started. So first of all, just come onto the side of it, and what you want to do is find the side button and tap and hold this. Tap and hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. Hopefully the Apple icon will go and appear and it will go and come on. Now, if nothing happens, don't worry. The next thing we can try doing is a button combination. So what can sometimes happen is it just gets stuck on a black screen, make you think it's not turning on. So what we're going to do here is press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. That all needs to be done consecutively. So volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. Now you go and keep this held down. The screen won't change, it will just go and remain black. Keep it held down. And hopefully you'll go and see the Apple icon will then go and appear. That can take 10 to 20 seconds. So just keep it held down and then it should go and start. Just go and be patient. And I'll just go and show you that it goes and starts up. And then it should go and be working again, hopefully. It shouldn't go and be much longer. And if you're finding that it still remains on a black screen, as you can see it now started, if it remains on a black screen, what you should do is you should try charging it. So you can go and plug it into the charger, and then you can try repeating the steps. So you can try pressing the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. You may want to give it a few minutes of charging before doing that, and then hopefully it will go and start again, and you're going to be able to go and use it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more how-tos like this.